Welcome to this MBL webinar on the death of a spouse during divorce proceedings. I'm Sadie Glover, a partner, mediator and head of family at Blazer Mills Law in Marlow. I've presented a number of webinars for MBL on all sorts of different topics, and I have to say this one's probably the least cheery. As it says on the tin, we're going to be considering the position should a party to divorce proceedings unfortunately die. In those circumstances, the legal process can be quite complicated, depending on the stage at which a party dies. And there are different considerations or alternative remedies that may need to be pursued. There is, of course, crossover between various different areas of law. The Matrimonial Causes Act 1973 and the related statutory provisions, including the MPFA 1984, TOLATA 1996, and the Inheritance Act 1975, amongst others. And of course, different principles apply to each. We will consider the different stages at which death may occur in proceedings, as the timing of the death may have significant impact on the position of the surviving spouse. This webinar doesn't cover the consequences of death in respect of other property rights, in particular to the operation of the doctrine of survivorship, TOLATA, or indeed the potential alternative remedies that can be brought by a spouse against the estate of the deceased. It's intended to give an introduction to the areas that are concerned with Matrimonial Causes Act 1973 and the related statutory provisions, so that family lawyers that find themselves in a position whereby a party to divorce proceedings has died, they are then aware of the major issues that they may face. We'll consider the stage at which the financial remedy proceedings have reached and whether enforceable orders have been made. So the position then before a final divorce order is made is quite simple. Spouses remain married until the final divorce order is made by the court, and for inheritance purposes, the marriage still exists, and no further step in the divorce proceedings can be taken as per purse and purse. In that case, just by way of a brief background, the parties separated in 1966, and in 1970, the husband had made a number of fruitless efforts to find his wife so that he could divorce her. He filed a petition in 1977. His solicitors had unsuccessfully tried to contact her through her former solicitors.